Okay, so I still have not finished the wall since you guys last seen it. I might at the end of this video, but this is the next day and I won't be uploading a moving vlog. I'm going to be uploading a do-it-yourself video. So I just wanted to show you guys like how I'm going to set up and all of that, because I do want to start incorporating like behind the scenes of like being a YouTuber as well, just because it's a lot of work and I do a lot to prepare for videos and stuff like that for you guys. So for this video, it'll be out once I upload this video. So as soon as you guys get done watching this video, make sure you guys go check it out. So for this video, this is going to be my background, and I just have the eyelash boxes set up right here just so it can be in the background of my video while I'm recording. As you guys see, my chair is leaning a little bit. It was on clearance. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, so for today's video, I don't know, I think I'm just going to like organize. Let me give you guys a little, let me show you guys what I'm working with so y'all won't keep looking at the wall. Behind the scenes for real of YouTube videos, literally. Perfect, got all the supplies, looks cute, clean. Then dun 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 dun. What the fuck? Psych. But okay, so since I want to show you guys being a YouTuber behind the scenes as well, a new small YouTuber, I wanted to show you guys my first freaking sponsorship. I was so freaking excited when they reached out to me and wanted to work with me and stuff. So the video with my huge eyelash box will be sponsored by Vivi Baby Hair. So today I wanted to clean up with you guys, organize with you guys, and basically just get everything in my business organized. So we're going to be doing that today. As you guys know, I upload every single day, so I've just been kind of showing you guys the before and after of my office. And yesterday I did this huge project, so I literally have stuff everywhere. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll have it linked down below. Y'all know I'm working on this wall and everything like that. This room looks a hot mess. Like I have makeup everywhere, I have boxes everywhere, I have mirrors everywhere, I'm waist training. I literally have a lot going on right now. So I have another mirror right here. While I'm organizing and cleaning up and stuff, you guys should go like organize too, and we can both be like cleaning and organizing our businesses together, you know? So yeah, okay, let's get started. I'm gonna put you guys right here. Yeah, so I have all of my makeup out. I need to get that up and figure out what I'm gonna do. If you guys see this black part, that is my waist trainer. I'm waist trainer right now. And these pants are too small, but what can you do? So yeah, so first I'm going to just place everything where it needs to go. So I know like my inventory and stuff goes on this shelf, so I'm just gonna place everything on the shelf and then go through it after it's up out of the way. Okay, so if you guys are new here, I literally just moved into this apartment like 2 days ago. So literally that's why everything is a mess. And anyways, when you have a business and you're packaging up orders, anything like that, girl, you're gonna have a freaking mess. That's just, you're gonna have a mess. So yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, y'all, so I just want to put on this waist belt because I meant this sweat belt because the other one, it looked like I was sagging on camera. So yeah, I'm gonna just wear this one. This one I usually wear to sleep. The other one, I really don't wear that one no more because it's too big, so it doesn't suck anything in anymore. But yeah, so I just changed to this one because it looked a little weird on camera, and I didn't want to keep on fixing my pants and stuff because I'm trying to get down and dirty. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this because this won't be over here. I think this will be over here on this wall. So that freed up some space. Let me know down in the comments, how do you guys store your makeup? I usually just have like storage on top of my desk, but I'm really thinking about getting a drawer, some type of drawer system. Needs to be taken out of the room. This goes in my other room, and so does this. So don't mind those. This is in order, so I'm just gonna put this right here for now. Let me show you guys the next area. Okay, so this area, this is stuff that needs to get taken out of the room. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. There you go, mama. Oh! Yay! I was like, what is that? They had it up there?
No, it was so you get ready to get put back.
Oh my gosh. Thank
I
you.
said, oh my gosh, that's like I heard you.
Get it. I'm gonna put it on.
Damn, you cleaned up fast.
I literally just started too, like 20 minutes ago. No, probably like 30
Well, it
minutes.
wasn't really that messy. It's just stuff
Stuff everywhere.
No one like you had.
Ooh, thanks. Y'all,
Thank you.
my mom just got me this. Hold up. It is literally perfect. Let me move this out. Ooh, this is heavy. Okay, so I'm about to add the rest of the canvases that I have up on the wall. So this is how it looks now, and I'm gonna add like 3 or 4 up there now. So we're gonna see how it looks, and I'll show you guys the progress. I'm also about to put up this mirror, so.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's right. All right. Now you go back and see real quick.
Okay, yes, that's perfect. Okay guys, so my wall is literally almost complete. I have one more piece that I want to get tomorrow, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video if you guys want to see that. I have this right here for now. I don't have any office decoration. I'm about to go through all of this makeup and get rid of that. And then right here is going to be my vanity. So I'm going to have lights and then a desk as well. I'll probably get that next week. And then I have like a small little bench. And then right here I have this little setup. I do have new inventory that I don't want to show you guys yet, but I have new inventory that will be on the next shelf. And then I just have all of my shipping supplies. I'm actually missing a shelf here. We moved and I'm not sure what happened to the shelf, so I might either have to buy an extra one or try to find it, but there's supposed to be a shelf right there. And yeah, so this stuff down here, I really want to get a bin, like a gold and silver bin, to put down here, like 2 of them. So I'm gonna look at Walmart. I'm gonna measure it first and then look at Walmart because I don't like how this is just out. Yeah, basically this side is like almost complete. I just gotta get some office supplies and just do something with that. I'm gonna move this over here. I'm getting new bins for that, and then yeah, just stay updated. I don't wanna put everything in the same video, so just stay updated, and each video I'll give you guys a little, you know, update on what's going on. But I also wanted to show you guys this business that sent me some things, and it's so cute. Let me show you. Okay guys, so Zena Spa sent me a package. I really hope that I'm pronouncing the brand name right, but yeah, I really love the box, and I love how they added the little note right here. So shout out to them. So when you first open it up, she sent over a card, and it just says Kanisha Sims. And she says, to Kanisha and family, thank you for supporting other women and helping to inspire others to boss up. Accept this as a gift to you and your husband from my business. Kitty Cologne is our featured brand for women and canine cologne for men. And she just basically told me what the cologne and the perfume is very natural and is very good for any part of your body. So if you guys are interested in this and you don't like strong smells, or if you have sensitive skin like me, this would be perfect for you. I love how professional this is, and I will be keeping it right here because I just love that little note. She also sent over a little cute business card. Kitty Cologne. I keep your business cards right there as well. She sent over a cute little pouch, really, really cute. I love this. So when I travel, best believe the perfume will be going in here. And guys, when I first opened this like a few weeks ago, oh my gosh, I was like so freaking excited and so thankful. Like literally, I didn't record it though, but because I was so anxious to open it up, and I knew I wanted to wait to record it so I could have like better content to upload it with. So here is the Kitty Cologne. And you just slide it open like this, and it comes like that. So if you guys want to just sit this on your dresser, you can. This is how the packaging looks, and best believe this is going to be sitting right on my dresser, on my makeup vanity once I get my desk. And she also sent over a cute little charm that has like a little cute kitty on it. So cute. And then she also sent over a little cute baggie, so you can put it in here if you like. And then here is the lid. And she sent over Yanni oil, so when I open it up, it looks so cute. My mom loved this too when I showed her. I really love it so much. It has different oils in it, and they're very natural oils. And it looks so freaking cute. I really cannot wait to use this. And yeah, it's great quality. I love everything about this brand. It looks so freaking cute. And then just like that. Shout out to her for bomb packaging. And then she also sent Desmond something, and he loves this. He's not here right now, otherwise I would have him be in the video. But when I first showed him, first off, he was so excited, y'all. He was like, somebody sent me something. It was so cute. It was the best reaction ever. But he said he loves it, and I love it as well, because y'all know we gotta be liking our men's cologne too. Like, you know, they can't be walking around wearing something stanky. Came with this little cute baggie as well. So yeah, shout out to them. This package was amazing. I really love everything that you guys send over. I will be putting this right on his dresser in our bedroom, and then mine will stay in my beauty room on my vanity because it's just so cute. Thank you so much to Zena Spa for the kitty cologne and the canine cologne and the Yanni oil. I hope I'm pronouncing everything right. But yeah, I really appreciate when you guys send me things and you guys think of me. So yeah, shout out to this brand. It's amazing. I'll have the website link down below for you guys to shop. And yeah.